Imagine standing at the edge of infinity, watching two galaxies, each a swirling city of billions of suns, drifting closer together. At first, they seem serene, silent, eternal. But in truth, you're witnessing one of the most violent events in the cosmos. A cosmic collision so vast it will reshape the universe itself. This is galactic cannibalism, when galaxies don't just collide, they consume each other. Over hundreds of millions of years, gravity pulls them into a deadly embrace. Spirals twist, arms stretch, and stars are hurled across space like glowing embers in a storm. Yet, for all this chaos, almost no stars actually crash. They slip past one another through oceans of emptiness, while gravity sculpts their galaxies into haunting new forms. But in the heart of destruction, life begins again. Gas clouds compress, ignite, and burst into newborn stars, brilliant blue giants burning where silence once ruled. Entire star clusters are born from the wreckage, lighting up the dark like cosmic fireworks. And this isn't just distant history, it's our destiny. Right now, the Andromeda galaxy is racing toward us, faster than a bullet. In about 4.5 billion years, it will slam into our own Milky Way. When it does, the sky will come alive. Arcs of light stretching across the heavens, galaxies merging in a spectacle that defies imagination. Our night will glow with billions of new suns, as two galaxies become one. Milky, will our solar system survive? Most likely, yes, but our home will drift into a new orbit, in a new galaxy, under a new sky. Earth may be long gone, yet the universe's story will continue, written in light and gravity. And in the heart of that new galaxy, the two supermassive black holes, one from Andromeda, one from the Milky Way, will spiral together, colliding in a final cataclysm. Their union will send ripples through space-time, waves so powerful they'll echo across the cosmos for eternity. This is the universe's way of renewing itself. Galactic cannibalism isn't just destruction, it's creation reborn. From chaos comes order, from death, new life. Every star that shines, every atom in your body, was forged in this endless cycle of collision and rebirth. You are made of cosmic violence, of galaxies that once collided and gave birth to the stars that made you. We are not separate from the universe. We are the universe watching itself evolve. And when galaxies collide again, we'll still be part of the story.